Ash falls heavy from a burning sun. Shadows bleed before the day is done. I sweep the embers of a hollow year, choking on the smoke of every tear. Dust collects upon the wooden floor. Footsteps vanish at the open door. Silence builds a fortress in the hall, watching every painted shadow fall. This rusted anchor is a memory of mine, dragging me below the trembling waterline.